Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Well, my favorite trading really is directional trading, swing trading, where I look for trades that'll, give me that instant momentum directional move with lots of momentum. So, a swing trade is a trade that can last anywhere from just 1 day to maybe 4 to 5 days. And directionally, these trades, if you get the breakout correct, they're great for using options and really weekly options. So the primary thing behind being successful at the swing trading is finding the right stocks that are ready to break out. So one thing I like to do is scan for various great setups. Now one trade setup that looks good coming up will be Apple, and what you can see here is Apple. It's in what we call a weekly squeeze, which is a compression squeeze. So see how tight the trading range is for the weekly bars, and then you've got the trend line here, trend line there. So it's going to break either up or down in the next days to few days. Now the other thing, it's also in a daily squeeze. So it's been in a daily squeeze for about 4 days, and you can see it just getting tighter and tighter. So eventually this thing will explode either to the upside or downside. Now the direction it takes will be dependent on the indicators that you use or how you determine direction, which I have a system where I have a system that is able to give me a pretty high probability sense of direction, so I will use that. And then I like to put on various option spreads, either outright directional options I buy if it's going to go up, or maybe credit spreads. So a variety of different option strategies combined together. Now this is just an example of watching for Apple, which is in a current squeeze, and I'll show you what stock looks like when it really gets that momentum to the breakout from a squeeze. Now this is FSLR, and this is what a compression squeeze breakout looks like. So it was in a squeeze for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then just took off like a rocket once it broke out. So it's compression and then explodes with a lot of energy. So these are the kind of trades I love to look for and find. So you can see how explosive that move was. When it broke out, it was at around 60 and made a high of 73. So if you'd like to learn more about swing trading and this kind of trade setups with compression breakouts using options, I'm going to have a special course, little boot camp on swing trading. Let me show you the details on that. So this will be a swing trading course. It's going to be next Saturday, March 29th. It'll start at 11 a.m. It'll be a 4-hour course, and we're going to go through how to clearly identify those high probability trades for swing trades like I just showed you, my power cycle trading formula for identifying the optimal trade setups, tools for knowing when to enter and exit before the herd, turning volatility squeeze momentum breakouts into your profits, identifying trading price cycle lows and highs for swing trades, pinpointing and capitalizing on price cycle retracements, best techniques for using those options, and mainly I love to use weekly options to capture the trends, techniques for identifying market tops and bottoms, using Fibonacci price retracement and extensions. We'll go through that, making the most of standard deviation to choose only those high probability trade setups, and my favorite swing trading option strategies. Also, it's very important how to position size to reduce your risk. And this is a great one, how to turn a 70% winning probability trade, swing trade, into a 90% winning trade. So this is what we're going to be covering in this boot camp next Saturday, the 29th. And the great news is it's only $297. So if you'd like to join us in the small group setting, please join me. Just click on this link either on this video or on the email that you received and sign up before the spaces are taken. Now we're going to limit it to a small group, so sign up now before all the spaces are gone. Thanks and good luck trading.